Fine. So what we are doing is multiply. Multiply में there are three different methods. One is a cross method, fine, which we will do cross वाला case. And then second method is your base method, in which we take a common base and then solve the question. Third method is my hybrid method, which I use to solve these questions. Fine. So we'll do each of the methods. Multiply वाला cross वाला method is easiest of all. This into 21. There will be 3-digit number. If there are two people, there will be 3 digits. Last one will always be this into this. 2. First one will be this into this. Beach wala will be 1, 4. So answer is 252. Okay. So we'll start with one more number, like 61 into 27. Now if you see, the calculation become more difficult because number has increased. We start with the easier question जिसमें number छोटे थे. अभी numbers are bigger, 7 and 6. So we'll make the answer go a little bit more difficult. Try करो. There will be 3 digits. First digit 7, second digit 12. Beach will be this into this, this into this. So 42 plus 44. 7, 4. 4 will be carried over. Okay. Last one, we'll take another bigger number, 79, 88. This side 56. Beach was 7 to 8 plus 9 to 8. Alright, so we have only one place reserved, 2 रहेगा, 7 will be carried over. So this will be 15, 1, 13 carried over, so 13 will come here. 69, 5, 2, 6, 9, 5, 2. Okay. One thing, if you note that the calculation has gone tough now. We started the easy question, then now the calculation become more difficult. And the problem that you not get this question directly in the exam कि चलो भैया इसको multiply करके दिखाओ. There will be a longer question which you have to solve and then come to a point where you have to solve. And the problem is we will not have time to write this into this in the exam. तो पहले ये लिखोगे. ठीक है. I'm talking about, we are talking about speed, how to speed or increase speed. This is actually taking your speed down. Fine. So because of this, I don't advise this method. ठीक है. Again, second thing is this method is only valid when 2 people are there. Suppose this is 121 into 132 तो गया. ठीक है. So I hate that method which is only valid for a particular type of question. Fine. But I wanted to teach you because Vedic maths का this is a very important concept. So we are doing it today. So this cross method for 2D figure is not the ideal method. Good to know, but not to follow in the real life examples. Okay. So what I've done is I've gone into the advanced stage that I have devised a few strategies which you can use on everyday basic and everyday questions. So I'll take you to that later on. But abhi ke liye we're starting the basics. So let's do these topics. Okay. Now I'll give you a 3D question. 421, 112. If there were 2 people, there were 3 lines. If there are 3 people, there will be 5 lines. तो अब आप मेरे को बताओगे क्या पे क्या आएगा. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 2, 4. What will come here? 42 and 11 का cross. This number is these 2 people का cross. So 4 plus 2, 6. This place will be these 2 people cross. So 2 and 2, 4. बीच में क्या आएगा?
4 plus 1 नहीं होगा.
बीच में तीनों का क्रॉस. सॉरी 4 plus 1 5 सॉरी 2 plus 2 4 4 and 1 5. बीच में तीनों का क्रॉस. 1 8 2 11. ठीक है. तो 4 1 carried over 7 1 5
कैरी हाइट में देख सकते हो।
बीच वाला विल बी दिस इंटू दिस, दिस इंटू दिस, दिस इंटू दिस. Whatever is extra will be carried over to 6. You got only one space. ये नीचे का space is just one space. There is space for only one digit. दूसरा digit आ गया तो ऊपर carried over हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Let's do one more question to make it comfortable. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2. 5. इसका आंसर क्या लास्ट में 6, फर्स्ट में 2, देन 4 + 6 7, 4 + 1 5, बीच में 2 6 2, 1 भी कैरिड ओवर तो 2 6 0 7 6. ठीक है, गुड शॉर्टकट. बट आर यू गोइंग टू डू दैट इन द एग्जाम? डू यू हैव टाइम टू डू दैट? टू ड्रॉ दिस थिंग आई विल टेक एटलीस्ट 1 minute का टाइम एंड टू एंड. फाइन. In most exam you have only 45 seconds to 1 minute. ठीक है, this is a good thing to know, but again will not be used in the real life example. I will not have time to use that. ठीक है, तो ये मेथड भी आपका बेकार हो गया. No problem. We have one more method for that. Suppose the number is 97 99. Fine. अभी हमने देखा if the numbers are bigger, the cross method is not valid. The cross method only used when the numbers are smaller. Now you can be a larger number, but it will take more time. ठीक है, तो इसका if we take 100 as a base, this is 100 से 3 कम, 100 से 1 कम. So your answer will be this minus this 96, this into this 03. ठीक है. It looks like a magic, but it's a very easy thing. It's basically whatever it is, if the base is 100, whatever is 100 से आगे नीचे, this plus this, 97 plus minus 1, 96, and this plus this, 99, or this minus this, you'll get same answer. Fine. और ऊपर last वाला part will be this into this, 3 into 4, 3 into 1 3. ठीक है. So if you just remove this part, अरे क्या था 97 99. ठीक है. Now in this case you have got 4 digit answer, the first 2 digit and the last 2 digits. Last 2 digit is ऊपर वाला this into this, नीचे वाला digit will be this plus this. 100 the base minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 97 96, 99 minus 3 तो हो गया. चलो 3 into 1 3, 1 3 1 0, so I have to write 0 3 because 2 places था. ठीक. Can you try 95 into 91? First question. 91 into 89 and 97 into 81. First part is minus 5 minus 9. 91 minus 5 or 95 minus 9 will be 86, and 9 to 5 45, 86 4 5. 91 which is 9 and 11, तो लास्ट में आएगा 99. फर्स्ट will be 91 minus 9 80, 8099. लास्ट केस minus 3 and minus 19. 81 minus 3 78. Now 19 to 3. Anyone knows the table? Table up to 25 normally people say, but up to 15 is more than sufficient. Table up to 15 आना चाहिए. So can you assume this में 20? Can you assume this में 20? 20 into 3 60. लेकिन एक काम था, 3 times 1 will be less. 3 less than 60 57. In case you don't remember, we can do that as well. ठीक है, तो 57 7 8 5 7. ठीक है. If you understand this part, I just want to cover up one more question. If I park them on the side, what about 81 into 92 minus 19 माइनस 8, ठीक है। तो 81 माइनस 8 विल बी 73। पीछे क्या आएगा? 90 टू 8, 90 इंटू 8 कैसे निकालोगे? 154 कैसे किया?
20 into 8 minus 8.
20 इंटू 8 माइनस 8, परफेक्ट, ठीक है। 154, तो 54 यहाँ आएगा, 1 will be carried over. I told you those spaces are only valid for them. One anything extra will be carried over. So 7 4. Alright. If you understand this part, let's see if you can try this thing. 105 into 101. Same logic. That was minus 5. If it was 95, this would become plus 5. Plus 5 plus 1. तो 105 और 106. 5 into 1, 05. 120 into 112. Second question. And 111 into 107. So this one will be plus 20 and plus 12. Right, so 20 plus 12, 132, 240. 240 में 40 यहाँ पे आएगा, 2 भी कैरिड ओवर, so 134, 4. That's the important thing to take care of. So this was plus 11 plus 7, 118. ठीक है. So last question we did, which was 95 into 97. Now we are doing 105 into 107. यहाँ 100 के ऊपर, 100 के नीचे. What about 95 into 102? Can you try that? Or 97 into 112. 97 is minus 5 plus 2. So 102, 97 plus 2, 97, and 5 into 2, 10. So 9710. Right? Wrong. Wrong. Why?
Minus ना
This is 5 into 2 is minus 10, not plus 10. Okay, so let me go back to the rules what we had done earlier. Suppose this was 95 into 97 to 95, so plus 3 plus 5. So what we are doing, if the base is 100, so we are taking this plus this 99 and 0 0, because base is 100. That's where the first 2 digit came from. And then 3 into 2, 6, so 0 6. Okay, but here in this case minus 6. So what I have to do here is, in this case this have to be 95 minus 5 plus 2. 95 plus 2 same, remains same, 97, 00 minus 10. So it will be 9690, not 9610. 10 कम होगा, ज़्यादा नहीं. ठीक है, बिकॉज एक माइनस एक प्लस था. Similarly try for the last one. This is minus 3 plus 12. So 97 plus 12 is 109, 100 minus 108. Is no doubt? But again, the problem with method is number have to be around 100. The moment I do 24 into 99, this method won't be valid. Chalega. So all these methods which we are doing today, they all have a constraint. Okay. Anyway, we are continuing this thing. We'll do with the one more thing like this. Suppose this is 1007 into 1005. Can you tell me what can be the answer? Same extra, plus 7 plus 5. This plus this, 1012. Last में क्या आएगा? 3 digits, because this is 1000 base. 35 तो था ही था, but 035 आएगा because base is 1000, not 100. Okay, so we can use this thing for the other thing as well. For example, if this is 210 into 212, our base is 200. So plus 10 plus 12. 210 plus 12, 222. 0 0 आता अगर 100 था, बिकॉज इट इज 200, इट विल इसका डबल, बिकॉज बेस इज 200, so 2 to 2 become 444, and last two digits for 10 into 12 120, 120 का 20 यहाँ पे आएगा और भी कैरिड ओवर, so 4 4 5 ठीक है, बेस इज 200 तो मल्टीप्लाई 200, बेस इज 500 मल्टीप्लाई 500, ठीक है. व्हाट अबाउट 51 into 53, बेस इज 50 तो क्या होगा हाफ, और इंटेलिजेंट यार को लगा ना तो इंटेलिजेंट हो गए, ठीक है. सो प्लस 1 51 प्लस 3 54, इसका हाफ 0 0, so 2700, 3 into 1, ठीक है. Fine, but the problem again with this method is they have to be very very close, then only you can solve this thing. Otherwise I can't do like 97 into 12. I can take a base as 50, but then this is 49 and this is 38. 49 to 38 would make it more difficult to solve. So this method I don't use. So we started with the first method, which was cross method. उसमें 2D वाला 3D वाला. Then we move on to this method, which is using a common base. Common base में we first did 97, 99, then 102, 105, and now 95 into 105. बड़ा छोटा छोटा, बड़ा बड़ा, या एक बड़ा एक छोटा, जिसमें माइनस साइन आएगा बीच में. Fine. But the problem is all these methods are flop because they can't be used every day. Fine. Because सोचना, if you get a multiply का question, will you waste your time on multiply or rather than doing something else? Right. उसके लिए all these methods I don't recommend. So I follow my one. So last method, which is my method to do multiply, is basically hybrid of everything. जो भी हमने किया आज का, उसका hybrid version. Hybrid में क्या आएगा? Basically your suppose 7 5 3 2 3 into 13.3 we have to do 13.2. How to do this calculation without using pen? Pakistan side 753 into 13.2. उसका छोड़ दीजिए. Let's have the easy number 4628. What is the easiest thing to multiply with this number? Easiest thing. 1, 10, 100. So anything which you have to multiply by 1 or 2 or 3 be easy. So first part says into 1 करना easy है. Similarly into 2 करना भी easy है, उसका डबल कर दिया, उसका ट्रिपल कर दिया. ठीक है. Second part says into 10 करना भी easy है, into 20 करना easy है, into 30 करना easy. ठीक है. Now you tell me what will be into 19. 4628 into 19. Now I know 20 is easy and 1 is easy. Can I say this is 20 minus 1? Yes. Fine. So this is a new approach which is very close any damn question possible. So let's try to solve a couple of questions like this. First of all, find out how much will be 1%. How much will be into 1? Same. ठीक है. Into 10 will be साथ में 0 आ जाएगा. Into 2% कितना आएगा? डबल. 26 का डबल 56, 46 का डबल 9256. इसका 20% दिस. ठीक है. So if you understand these things, 4628, can you find out multiply this by 22? 20 plus 2, 29, 30 minus 1, 49, 50 minus 1. कुछ भी आ जाए. Can you solve these 3 questions? ठीक है. The first answer is 101,816. 20% plus 2%. Second 29, 30 minus 1. 1 3 4 2 1 2 49 50 minus 1 और हाफ minus 1 हाफ की मैंने इसका और भी हो गया 2 3 1 4 0 हाफ और जस्ट एन हाफ ऑफ दिस 50% आ गया minus 1% 1% भी 468 सॉरी ठीक है नंबर माइनस इटसेल्फ